Welcome to 777 Ash Street Apartments. We are at apartment number 105, the A2 floor plan, 618 square foot. Before we enter, you'll notice there is a key code entry, so there is no need for a set of keys. As we enter the apartment, we have a huge walk-in closet. It's about 10 feet deep and 4 feet wide, plenty of shelving. It's a nice light to see what you're doing when you're in your closet. A bar for storing all of your coats, and two little cubbies right to the left of the entrance of this huge walk-in closet. At the right side, there is also an additional walk-in closet. This is about 10 feet wide and 3.5 feet deep. More options to store all of your coats and other clothing items. Very big closets. Crystal doorknobs are going to be featured throughout. Original and vintage. Building was built in 1957. So we have Cavetto crown molding. Provides some dimension and beautiful aesthetic to your apartment home. The flooring is original and walnut hardwood. It is real wood. Gives it a nice cozy feel. Here's a dining area. Nice and light and bright. Over in the kitchen area, we have brand new stainless steel appliances, a gas range stove, dishwasher, and refrigerator. Lots of storage options above. Brand new countertops, cabinetry, and backsplash. Let's see what you've got to view. Nice little amount of green, makes you feel nice and cozy. This living room is really big, so you're going to be able to arrange and rearrange your furniture throughout your time here at 777 Ash. Now in the hallway between the living room, bathroom, and bedroom, there are two additional storage places. Here is your linen closet. Store all of your towels and cleaning supplies and other toiletries in here. And then an additional closet with a shelf above. You're gonna have to buy more things to be able to store everything in here. Here's your bathroom. This is shower tub combo with updated fixtures. And then a medicine cabinet. Got additional storage within the medicine cabinet. And a lot of people really love these pedestal sinks. Here is the bedroom, nice and bright in here as well. This room does feature a ceiling fan and another closet. This bedroom will comfortably fit a queen size bed, but you can fit a king size as well. And again, this is our A2 floor plan, 618 square foot at 777 Ash Street Apartments. Thank you for viewing.